Hi there, I'm Melissa from MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to create the star darn. For this stitch, we want to have 5 points on our fabric that are the corners of our star. We'll bring our needle up at the top point of our star, and we'll go down in the bottom right corner of our star. Then we'll bring our needle up in the top left corner of our star, and we'll go back down in the bottom right corner of our star. We'll bring our needle back up in the left corner of our star, and then we want to slide our needle underneath that first straight stitch we made. And we'll bring our needle down in the top right corner of our star. Now we'll bring our needle up in the bottom left corner of our star, and we'll slide our needle underneath this second straight stitch we made here, and bring our needle back down in the top right corner of our star. Then we'll bring our needle up in the bottom left corner of our star, and we slide our needle underneath this more horizontal straight stitch for our star here, and we go back down in the top point of our star like so. And that is our star darn. And as you can see, the threads cross over each other, so that way they're all held down by the different straight threads of our star. I hope you have fun trying out this stitch, and for more embroidery tutorials, be sure to visit MCreativeJ.com.